And this is a very cool story we've been covering this morning. Right now, a practically brand new car is helping a local Marine veteran get back on his feet.
Over the past 6 years, the company Caliber Collision, as well as other industry partners, have donated about 300 vehicles to military service members and veterans who are in need of transportation. And this happened again yesterday in Santa Maria. Casey Drescher has the story.
For Kevin Condon,
this is actually the nicest car I've ever had.
this is more than just a new car.
This is my second life.
A second chance he almost didn't live to see.
I tried to kill myself last January. Today, it's not even a thought in my mind.
It's a theme all too common for many veterans transitioning into civilian life. And after reaching a low point last year, Condon got in touch with a group of guys who changed his life.
Well, there was anxiety, there was depression, suicidal attempts, isolation. And I talked to my best friend that I grew up with, and she lives out here. She put me in touch with a guy named Mario, who put me in touch with Steve Baird and Shane Crudis with Band of Brothers.
Wow. Band of Brothers California teamed up with Caliber Collision and Allstate Insurance. And through the Recycled Rides program, this Marine vet has a new lease on life. Team at Caliber Collision rallied together. Everyone from techs to painters donated their time to get this Camry up to speed.
To be able to give back and to feel the feelings that something like this will give you is huge.
And it's making a huge difference in Condon's life.
It's a good thing I can't cry in this uniform.
He just got a new job in Pismo Beach and needed a way to get to work. Now he wants to give back and help the other vets at Camp Flores get around.
I feel like I have a purpose again. I feel like I matter. And I can't tell you how good that feels to look forward to wanting to get up the next day and go out and do stuff instead of praying to not wake up the next day.
That was Casey Drescher reporting, and if anyone deserves a car, it's that man right there.
Absolutely.
For everything he's done for our country. And man, they did a beautiful job restoring it too.
And they give out so many of these cars to veterans, which is awesome.
All right, time right now.